Possible Finance and Albert both give fast access to cash, but they work in completely different ways, and the real difference is cost structure versus flexibility. By the end, you'll know how each app actually gives you money, what the repayment looks like, and which one makes more sense depending on how often you need cash. Start with Possible Finance. Possible Finance works like a short-term installment loan inside an app. You borrow a set amount, then repay it in scheduled installments over a short period. Payments are automatically pulled from your bank account on due dates. Approval is usually based more on income and repayment ability than traditional credit scoring. That makes it more accessible for people with limited or damaged credit history. Now look at Albert. Albert is more of a financial app that can include cash advances and budgeting tools in one place. Instead of a traditional loan structure, cash access is usually tied to your account activity and eligibility inside the app. That means Albert is often used for small, quick advances rather than structured loan repayment plans. Now compare repayment style. Possible Finance uses fixed repayment dates with a clear schedule. Albert-style advances are usually designed to be short-term and flexible, but still tied to automatic repayment from your linked account. That difference matters when you plan your budget. Fixed schedules are easier to track, but less flexible if your income is irregular. Now look at cost behavior. Possible Finance typically charges fees that increase the total repayment compared to the amount borrowed. Albert's cost depends on how the advance is structured and the features you're using inside the app. Neither option is designed to be a long-term borrowing solution. Both are meant for short-term cash gaps, not ongoing expenses. Now here's the real decision point. Choose Possible Finance if you want a structured repayment plan and don't qualify for traditional credit. Choose Albert if you want more flexibility and an all-in-one money management app with occasional cash access. One common mistake is treating both apps as interchangeable. They are not. One is closer to an installment loan system. The other is closer to a financial tool with embedded advances. Another mistake is relying on either one for repeated monthly borrowing. That usually turns short-term cash help into long-term financial pressure. Quick recap. Possible Finance gives structured installment loans with predictable repayment. Albert gives more flexible cash access inside a broader finance app. Next step is simple. Decide whether you need structured repayment or flexible access before choosing, because that choice determines which app will actually work in your situation. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money apps without the confusion.